Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is May 6, 2024, and it's Monday, the very first day of this week. And this week we are in week 19. So we are in 6th week of second quarter right there. Can you believe that? 4 more weeks we close. Oh, yeah, no. 13 weeks. So yeah, 7 more weeks we close out the second quarter. Basically, the second quarter is already half of that. And for this week, we don't have any option expiration because we don't have any really huge or medium impact news for this week neither. So this week very silent. We may have some low impact here for unemployment, shoppers, maybe wholesale inventory, that consumer sentiment, like a medium or low impact new consumer credit right there also tomorrow. Yeah, that's the status for this week. But next week we're looking for a CPI May 15th right there, and also the standard option expiration day of the month. That is for the near future, and after that we look for GDP data at the end of the month. And then we come back to non-farm payroll June 7th. Alright, let's look to see what we have for today. Before we go to today, we want to show something real quick. Yes, so here is our weekly profile for last week, which is week 18, right? So here's our weekly candle right here for last week. You see that we start in April 29, and here's the daily 5-day. You have Monday, and then you have Tuesday, and then you have Wednesday, and then we have Thursday reversal, and then Friday continue. Yep, so basically you have accumulation, manipulation, distribution, or reverse, retracement and then reverse, distribution, retracement and then reverse. Friday continue right there. But you see how beautiful it is that, like the Monday, you see the gap down right here, that is consolidation right there, and then the gap is few accusers right here. Monday right here, we mix both. This is Tuesday. Monday right here, you see the gap. Yeah, let's do something real quick right here, otherwise we're a little bit confused. Let's put a little bit note right here so we have an idea. We need a pointer so you know where to point to. Save it for now, and that refresh, no refresh, then we can open again. Alright, so the change we make is refresh now. So you see the Monday right there, right? It's a gap up, and look at the candle at 9:30. See that? So as soon as it break down that, the low of that on Tuesday, it show up. So basically we see that the Monday, we see that the gap down, have consolidation and gap fill in the PM, not AM. And look at the candle at 9:30. We can apply so-called candle range theory. You can look up on the internet or the Twitter. The guy basically based on a candle range, we can have a trade idea right there. Same right here, we have a Tuesday gap up, but the gap never fill. until Friday. Yeah, Friday. If you're Friday or late, yeah, because this is a regular trading hour. You don't see the aftermarket and pre-market, but it may feel at the beginning or at the end. Either at the end of Thursday or at the beginning of Friday. But it gives us some idea. You see that the 9:30 on Tuesday open below Monday, so that means that can give us a bearish signal right there. And then we have a Wednesday right here, gap down, and it won't refill until the PM. And the candle at 9:30 also give us some trade if we apply so-called candle range theory right there. On Thursday, a reversal up, gap fill, the gap up is fill, right? You have a gap up. We mix both right here. It's a gap up, not gap down. Oh, I see. Let's fix that error right there. So we have a gap up, not gap down. Not gap down. Let's refill them. Right, gap up. That's not gap down, but it go down, fill the gap. That's the difference, right? Gap up. Yeah, we fixed that. All right, so Thursday we have a gap up, and how beautiful enough at 10. It filled the gap and it also rate the low or the sell side liquidity. Then you know the reversal is already set in the motion. And we have a gap up on Friday and it did not refill. And today we have a gap up on Monday. So if there is a reversal on Tuesday or Wednesday, it's gonna be huge. It go down to fill the gap up for today and the gap up for Friday also. So that's the weekly profile we have right there. Okay, now look at the weekly candle to see what we see. So wow, so look, the weekly candle is still bearish. I mean bullish because it's above the 20-day moving average. But look at the list level. Look at the level 5113 right here. 5113. Right, it at 5123 for that matter. 5123. Excuse us, 5193. 5193. I think we mixed spoke right there. 5193. 5193 even, my friend, even. And let's see. So what do we see right here? Let's look back and see. And also we mark this level. It's a key level right here. 2123. 2123. They both very even number right there. It's rounded number. Yep. So look at this level. If we see the pattern for so-called real breakout to the outside and make a second leg down, you see that? It's the first leg down, it may make the second leg down. And how that happened? It breaks the level right here at 5123 and then it reverses back right away. And then you have a candle to retest it. So this week it may, but if it may go to that second leg down, but we have to wait because right now it looks like it doesn't formulate the setup we would like to see. We would like to see that it's open right there and then boom, it start going down. But it did not happen today. However, it did not happen today. It does not mean that not happen because we still have 4 more trading days this week. So our theory is that it's gonna be a real breakout right here, right? This is, we just make a second leg down. Because we see this setup before, let's looking for one of the charts that we have. All right, here's the setup that not exactly, but that's what we're looking for, right? Here's we have a first leg down. You see that? Look at this level 5109.25. You have first leg down, and then you have break that level, and then you have reverse it back. Reverse back right away, and then you have a hanging, 2 hanging retest from above, and then hanging, and then boom, the second leg down. So let's see it's gonna play out for this scenario. We already see one candle retest from above, which is hanging, dozy hanging, which is meet our requirement. Now we need the second candle will be break down that level because there's no reason for this. You're gonna revisit that level. By tomorrow, we want to see it get rejected, close down by this level, so we know that it's gonna be reject at a high level, and then this level gonna break because it already break the level and then retest from above. There's no reason for it to go down. The only reason it come down is to break this level 51.23 right there. Yeah, similar, right here. Look at the setup again. At this level, you have break, you have a reverse right away. By reverse right away, we mean that it's close above that level right away without retest below. You see, so let's say this level 50.99, we have a retest below, retest below, and then break it. But this level, it doesn't have retest below before it's close above that level, which is reverse. That's what we mean right there. And that's the setup we're looking for. Reverse 54.94. The same similar right here. You have break the level at 50.94, break it, reverse back right away, and then you have this one is not hanging above, but it's very close, so we can go short right there also. But at this level it's much better. It's a real breakout, which is second leg down. Yeah, let's see. I think we will accuracy. Yeah, let's do some document right here so we see that this is a real breakout. So first we have a break right there. And then we have the reverse. And then we do have a reverse. Second, we have a reverse right away. And then we do have a retest and another dozy right there. Perfect short setup. And step 3, we do have a retest. In this case, retest from above. Yeah, we have all element right there. But then boom, it's going down. So basically it's a real breakout. it break out level, break down level, real break down or break out for that matter. Yeah, let's do more specific breakdown, and in this case it create a second leg down setup right there at 5109.50, and you see it create a favorite gap right, and they can just retest them perfectly. That's what we have right there. We have 3 steps right there. First it break, second is reverse by the way, and third is retest from above that level. Yeah. So that is the setup that we are right. We want to look to see it gonna happen. It's gonna happen for this setup. We see a break, the first step. We see the reverse, and we already see the retest. Now wait for it to break the level. First, we have to see that it's tomorrow. It's gonna get reject at that level, and then it's gonna break the level. Maybe the whole week. It's just dozy also. So that's what we anticipate. And we also see the gap right here, fellow gap right here, implied fellow gap right there. So it looked like fellow gap, but that is exactly the moment we need to short them up at the 2 level right there. Alright, that is for the weekly, and look for the daily. The daily is just so bullish. It's very hard to see anything that's bearish. You see that bullish because you see this the same setup is a 4 breakout. Right? Break, it retest from below, and then it break that level. So, but we see that the level is magic. And we're so glad that today it above here. So we see this, what we see, failure gap down and then failure gap up. So it may retest to this failure gap right there. Failure gap down at this level 51.23, and then now you see the failure gap up right there. So some setup very interesting is happening around here. Yep, happen around here. You can see the setup right here, right? It break, and then it break it back, and 2 doji candle hang above. That's why it break it back. So right there. All right. So before we go into today, we see. Let's look at our 15-minute regular trading hour. Right now, we have 15 minutes extended hour. Let's look at regular hour so we can see what is the gap down, what is the gap up. So right here, we see our 15 minutes. Oh yeah, you see the huge gap on Friday, and now we have a huge gap on Monday. That is phenomenal. Normally we see the gap gonna be review for next day. I mean, the farthest we see is review next day, or no, actually you see the gap up right here. It won't review until we go to Thursday or Friday. So let's see. That's where the reversal gonna happen. Let's see if that will be the case for this week. So basically we see the gap last Tuesday, the gap up, left until Friday for that matter right there. But today we see interesting. The gap on Monday is left until. So if looking for opportunity to trade a short, if we try to refill this and may go down to refill this, but from the weekly, right, we see these two level. We already draw this weekly level. We see the range right there, perfect range right there for us. So we want it somehow tomorrow it come down and it create a real breakout right here. If we break the level, we believe we're gonna come down here, fill the gap on Friday. Of course, it's gonna fill the gap on Monday first, and then kill the gap on Friday. So that's our theory, that right there. But let's see. That's our expectation. Let's see how the market gonna play out tomorrow. Very interesting. But today, very first day, it's huge. It's huge. It's break up. And look at the candle at 9:30. It's huge up close candle ran right there. And it's only, and you see the gap right there, it's only what? It's only retest that at around 12:15. Okay, let's look at the trade we make today. We make 5 trades today, and we take 2R loss for today. It's our challenge account like that. So make 2R. Our 1R is 5 point, which is $200.50, and we took 2R loss for today. We took 5 trade, and 3 of them may break even, very close break even, and then 2 trade is loss. Let's go to the last trade we took, trade number 5. The last trade we took, number 5. What is that? All right, number 5 right here. All right, so here's is our number 5 trade. Right, we we execute our trade on the Ninja Trader, but for drawing, we use the Thinkorswim because Thinkorswim is much friendly and easy to use than this guy. And Top Step, they don't have a connection with Thinkorswim. The best they have is Ninja Trader, so that's what we use. By the way, so the setup right here is our idea, right? We aim for the final hour. The idea that we see the whole day is rally, so we anticipate that the last hour, right there is 14:45, which is 2 p.m. 45 minutes. So about last hour. So we anticipate, because we see that the gap down there, right? The gap, Monday gap down here, on the regular trading hour we saw before. Where's that again? We just show it right there. Yeah, so here's if we look on we see the gap down right here. See, the gap up, but it's down on that level, right? So we thought that it's gonna get some kind of reverse. So we're going very bravely, in the sense that if you know that the 4 breakout setup, you see the break and you see the retest from above. Then you put a buy stop, you put a sell stop here, so you can, there's no reason for it to go back to the level. The only reason to go back to the level is going to break the level. That's our anticipate, and we are brave because we don't wait for the candle. to touch the level, we go in right away. So that's the break right there. But now look back, you know, it's not really reliable. You know why? Because this have to be a very good doji hanging. It's not even hanging right there, so it's not reliable. Market tell us something right there. All right, now let's watch the replay to see how our last trade with trade number 5 play out. You see, all right, it should be a hanging doji, but at that moment we so caught up, we don't see that, and we take the trade. As we see it go up, and we see a little bit pullback, we're going. You see, wow, it go up right there. Right. And then we see the pullback. That's where we enter the trade. The right entry should be right here at 51.94, a sell stop. There's no reason for it to break the to retest or revisit level. It only do that to break that level. That's the logic right there. But we are, you know, we were very brave, brave in the sense that we cannot wait. We want to get a good entry or cheaper entry, for that matter. But you know what? Yeah, yes, you see that? It can fluctuate right there after we entry, but eventually it break it up. It still not break it up after our entry. So let's see this candle. So it still keep a hope right there. Right, you see the hope. Yeah, that candle is it break that level. See that? Yeah, so this candle is break that level, which is 51.94. And let's see. We feel very strange because if it's the right setup for us, this move have to break through very fast right there. But it keep back and forth right there. It looks so scary. And then that, yeah, that should be faster. You see, it should be not the last minute. It should be the first 5 minutes it break through. But it's the last minute, and then we're gonna move our stop loss. Because we thought they're gonna be fall through. Wonderful, give a 4 point right there. Or one more point, we give it an R. But you know what? It did not happen. You see, the maximum we have is a 4 point right there. It's almost an R. It did not. The market did not give to us. Give for the short people. So you see right there. We don't want it to retest it level, and we definitely don't want it to retest it level, because if it does, then it will break it. And that's a signal for it to get out. See that? Yeah, we thinking about get out. We start plan our exits, but we want to get the best deal out of that. You know, we go in very early, very bravely. So we want to get out with something. So, and we did. We get out with only 2 points, which is $100. Yeah. Admit it, we see that, you know, it's retested level. We plan our exit. Wow, look at that. Yep, we plan our exit right away. Yep. And you see that when it around 2, we get out. 2 points, we get out. Yeah, we already move our stop loss right there. Move our stop loss, tighten our stop loss, and get ready to exit. Because right here, you don't want, when you trade the real breakout in the downside, you don't want it to test from below, because that is a signal that it's gonna break that level. No, not break, but it's gonna reverse at that level. It's not gonna be a real breakdown. And let's see how that logic play out. You see, we saw at $2, $2.50 right there. As long as it go to, we get out. we still have a little bit hope right there, but you will see. Yeah, I think we get out above 35 right there, 335 right. It doesn't make any sense. It's gonna break this level. You already test them, and you see the flip right here is supposed to follow through. Flip right there, we get out right away. And that is our last trade. We get $100 for our last trade, but overall we have lost 2 hours today. And let's see the logic. Exactly, it tests this 2 level, it's gonna break it, and then look, it break it. You see that? If we stay in the trade, we are in big trouble, real big trouble. You see, huge. It reversed, it proved from this 2 level. Whenever you see it break and then it retest from below, you know it's gonna reverse this level. It's not gonna be a real breakout. It's gonna be 4 breakout. And you see that? Wow, we paid. I'm glad that we get out, so we save 1 hour, 1 pullers. Otherwise, we will take a lot 3 hours for today. We learn our lesson because the trade number 4, we go in right here, it flipped also. Right here, it flips on us. And right here, another trade number 3, it flipped on us, and we just stay there, you know, like a deer in the headlight. We get frozen. We don't know what to do, so we let it hit our stop loss, which is a 4 hour right there. But next time, as soon as we see that our thesis get invalidated by the market, we just get out, save our bullet. But by the way, that must easy said than done, just like, you know, spending in real time, because you hope that you wait a little bit longer, it will play out. So that's, you never know. So, but anyway, with the practice experience, we can get it right. You see that? Yeah. So that's the end of story there. That's right there. So that is our trade, the last trade right there. And yeah, that right there. Let's look back our trade number 4 right here. Here's our trade number 4. So at 1 o'clock, we're thinking the reason why we take this trade because we thinking about ICT, this model. We thought it's gonna be this Euro swing at 130, but it's not even 130. Yeah. Yep, not even 130. Yeah, we get in right there. We still don't know what we're thinking at that moment. Take this trade now, looking back, it doesn't make any sense, because you don't want to sell. Oh, maybe, oh, how come? Yeah, at 115. Let's rewind the tape to see what happened at 13, 15 right there. Let's see. All right, here we rewind the tape at exactly the moment we take the trade. You see what the logic right here. I think we just chased them for more right there. We still have an old cell that take the trade without. Okay. Oh, right there, you see that? That's the formal trade right there. Basically, we saw a huge down. Oh, okay. So basically, right here at the 51.84.75 level, you saw a break. You saw the retest above, and then we would a buy stop right here, right? Because break, retest above. But you know what? This one is not really a doji candle at all. It did not. The doji candle should be like this candle or other kind of candle. but you don't see that's not a dozy. We just fall ourselves right there. That's the tricky position that we put ourselves in, because we really want to sort them so we can see anything is a sort setup. You should see the dozy right there. You see that? That's the dozy. Look, that's the dozy. That's a hanging. So it's gonna be a breakdown, real breakdown. But it's not in this case. How come this a dozy candle? Oh, now we see. Now we saw that. We thought, wow, it's gonna be a dozy candle, and then there's gonna be a breakdown level, and that's what we go with the trade number 4 right there. Let's see how it's play out. Oh, right there. Yeah, 4 breakout at lead level, but we do a early entry. We chase them. Yeah, that's the mistake we make. Okay, so trade number 4, we are right here. So basically it will be a 4 breakout at this level. Okay, we thought it's gonna be a 4 breakout at the level 51.84.75 and take early entry. Yeah, so that is our logic right there. We take an early entry. You see that? Here a screenshot again. So it's we take early entry. Now we want the tape. We show right there. So with the buy stop right there. You see that? 51.84 right there. 75. That's what we put buy stop here. It's so funny that we see every setup is the 4 breakout. They have to be dozy, my friend. Even though it retest above us, it's not dozy. So it's not worth it to go in there and waste our bullets. You see, this has to be dozy right there. You have to be dozy right there in order to take the trade. The same right here, you have to see something dozy right there. Very dozy. This is not a dozy. Look, it's not dozy. I see now. So yeah, so that's the idea. So when we enter right here, the next candle 15, right? We go in 1 p.m. 15. Let's look at the next candle. Let's trade. What happened? Yeah, so 15. Well, it's our 15. 13. Right here, 15. We get stop out. Next candle, which is 30 right there. We got stop out. And we did take the screenshot right here. Right, we stop. Yeah, we stop out exactly. Yeah, 130 we get stop out right away. See that? 130 we get stop out. That's exactly happened. 130 we get stop out. 130, which is the kind of stop out. So that's our number trade 4 right there. We lost right there. So that's we lost 1 hour. Lost 1 hour right there. Because we force ourselves to take a trade where this is not a really dozy at all. We learn our lesson right there. Yeah. We have to put ourselves, we have to make an error so we can know what we're thinking right there. Yeah, we would have buy stop right there. Remember, this is not a dozy. That's the reason why the trade fell. So we do a buy stop at this level. So we do have break right here. Yeah. So we have 3 steps. They are subtle different. We have to teach ourselves to see the subtle difference, right? So we just cannot just for ourselves. Break, it is break. break at what time is this one? This one is I look at the chart. What is break level? What level is that? Okay, level 80, 5184. 5184. Okay. No. Oh, right here. Break the level. Yeah, this level right here, 5184. Oh, okay. Break right here will be 1230. That is 1230. See that 1230 right there. Let's see. This is the candle that we're talking about right here. 5184. Yes, exactly 5184.75 right there. That's the level. So with hardware, we have break, retest, but you have to be the doji retest, not just any retest. That's the lesson learned for it right there. And then we do have right here you had a break. Oh, okay, we have a retest. Retest at what time? At 12:45. That right? So you have a retest at 12:45. Okay, and then we anticipate a reverse, but not even close. You see, we anticipate a reverse. Number 3, a reverse. Either at 13 or 15, basically 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. 13 right there. So that's our mindset when we take this trade. We thought gonna be a 4 breakdown in this level at 5184 75, which have 3 step, right? Break, retest, then reverse. Notice that this trade fell because the retest is not a doji, a hanging for that matter. Hanging Jesus, doji, it's not hanging doji, and that's the reason why the trade fell. That's how we construct our trade for right there, but we forgot to notice the subtle right there. We thought that retest, it's retest, but it have to be doji. Otherwise, it's not the high quality setup. Yeah, Nope, this trade failed because the retest is not dozy anymore. Very simple. We have to make it so it's dozy. Wow, yeah, well, beautiful fail right there. We learned a huge lesson right there. Yep, let's save it. We do have break. Yes, break. We do have retest, and we anticipate a reverse on the 2 candle direction like that. But remember, you have to be dozy, otherwise it's very low quality, which is right here. Yep, so that's our trade number 4 right here. So we trade short, got stop out, lose 1 hour. Now let's see what the trade number 3 we takes, and then we can wrap up here. Okay, trade number 3. Very interesting trade number 3. I think just the same idea right here, right? Okay, trade number 3, we anticipate, we saw this is a sell side liquidity, or not sell side, buy side, we're rated, so we're gonna go in here at 12:45. We got in this trade on this candle, and we will stop out on the same candle at 12:45. Very interesting right there. That was the tape to see why that happened. All right, here's the tape at around the time we enter the trade number 3. I think it's very interesting to see how we were thinking at that moment. So basically, we see right here, we thought that, all right, so it break out at this level 51.8375. You see it break it, and right here it not even retest, but before ourselves we talk to ourselves that, wow, maybe it not retest, but it's very attractive right here, rejection, so it's gonna break the level right there. And we saw it break, and you know what happened? I think we chased them. We chase ourselves. Yes, we fall ourselves. We feel like, wow, we're missing out. We feel like we forgot to put, we're supposed to go in right here, put a buy stop. It gives us sell stop. But we didn't do that, so now we chase them. Let's see what is the chase helper. Oh, it hurt it right there. We chase right there. You see that? We chase. Well, it going to our way only, going in the money only 21 pip right there. A quarter point right there, 1 pip. And now look how it play out. Okay, we get, 2/3 of a point right there, 75 cents. Wow. We got $1.50, not $1, 1.50 right there. Wow, we say, oh, we vindicate. Wow, we chase the trade, and we good. But you know what? Look at the flip. It's so beautiful that it flip. You see that? Wow, we really have almost 3. We should get out. Now look back, we should get out. But look at this, it really flip. And now we learn our lesson. Whenever you have a huge leg up, and you're gonna see a retracement, but 2 leg retracement, and that's where you see the setup right there. It break that level, and then you see what? It break it back. It fell it up right there, and it break it back again, and it just only rate the liquidity right here. It just sweep sell liquidity. You're gonna see. And that is the reversal pattern within the retracement right there. I think model 1. You see that? It's a huge down, and now it's just flip. It just flip. You see that? That exactly we need to get at our trade. Take a quick lot right there, but you know we didn't. We cut deer in the headline. We said, wow, why flip on it? We should go long right here and we make a huge run. Look right here. Look at the charts. That's it. This candle right here, 1250. And if we sweep, if we flip when market flip, then we can have huge runs right here. Yeah, 15R right here, about 215. We have our 15R right there, not 15R but a 3R 15 point right there. It really flip on it right there, but we don't have a experience to understand this and get out. You see, it rate just the sell side right there. And now we look back, we see this pattern right there. Double break right here. It's called double break pattern, or a model 2 reversal, I believe so. What is the reversal? Model 2. We do have that. Well, reversal. Right here, I think we do have a 3 shot. Yeah, similar to this. You see that? Very similar. The break one, and you see the doji hang up, break one more time, and then you see the follow up is a retracement, but it's 2 leg down. Similar to that, but it not exactly. But you get an idea. It break. Maybe not exactly so. Look at all the example we have. Anyway, we couldn't find right now, but anyway, the idea is that 2 leg down retracement, expansion, retracement, and twice retracement again, and that's where it flipped right there. It flipped, and you see that it stopped out. You see, we put it right here. We're going right here, and we got stop out. And we took a loss. 1R right there. You see right there? Yeah, I think we move our stop out of it. Yeah, we tied them right there. Yeah, and we got stop out. Okay, wow, we move our stop loss. Can you believe that? Move our stop loss because we hopped right there. I think that's our mistake right there also. And look, and look, and look. Wow, right there. Yeah, we got out. Yeah, I think we go in again. $130. Yeah, I think we go in again. Yeah, and we're stop out. But anyway, I think we run out of time right now, so we can wrap up right here. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for the opportunities, and we do what we love, then success coming to our way. And good night, and good luck and good trading. See you tomorrow.